Welcome back to 5 Minutes Tech, your source for simplified tech insights. In this episode of our quantum computing series, we're diving into the fundamental building blocks of quantum computation, quantum gates and quantum circuits. Imagine quantum gates as the tools and quantum circuits as the blueprints that enable us to perform complex operations with qubits. These are the Lego bricks of quantum computing. Let's start with quantum gates. Quantum gates are the quantum equivalent of classical logic gates, but with some mind-bending differences. They allow us to manipulate qubits, changing their quantum states in various ways. One of the most iconic quantum gates is the Hadamard gate. The Hadamard gate is like the Swiss Army knife of quantum gates. When applied to a qubit, it puts it into a superposition of states. In other words, it can transform a 0 into a superposition of 0 and 1. This is incredibly useful for quantum algorithms. But it doesn't stop there. Quantum gates come in various flavors, each designed for specific tasks. Some gates flip the state of a qubit, some introduce phase shifts, and some entangle qubits. Now, let's talk about quantum circuits. Quantum circuits are like recipes that tell us how to combine quantum gates to perform a specific quantum computation. They are a sequence of gate operations that take input qubits and produce an output. Quantum circuits are designed to solve specific problems or implement quantum algorithms. They are the practical application of quantum gates in a structured and organized manner. Circuits can get quite complex, especially for solving intricate problems like factoring large numbers or simulating quantum systems. But remember, the power of quantum computing lies in its ability to perform these operations simultaneously thanks to the magic of superposition. In our upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into quantum algorithms and explore how these gates and circuits come together to solve real-world problems. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any exciting updates in our quantum computing series. Thanks for joining us on 5 Minutes Tech. See you in the next episode.